Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Digia and welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve a random past board exam problem in algebra, specifically arithmetic sequences and series. So sa video na ito, i-present ko sa inyo yung manual solution at the same time yung kanyang calculator technique na gagamit pa rin tayo ng ating calculator na Canon F789S GA. So, emulator yung ginagamit ko dito. So, kayo na nasa inyong mga tahanan, meron kayong cycle, no? Yung transparent version nito na gagamitin for the board exam. So, meron din itong ibang kulay which is yung kulay gray. So, yung lumang version yun, no? So, pero same lang naman yung function nila. So, ito ay approved for PRC board exam. So, without further ado, let's start. So, arithmetic sequences and series. So, sabi diyan, find the 30th term of the arithmetic sequence for 7 and 10. So, pag sinabing arithmetic sequence, so ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga numero na kung saan meron silang common difference. Okay, yung tawag sa bawat numero ay tinatawag nating term. So, choices are letter A, 91, letter B, 90, letter C, 88, and letter D is 75. So for our manual solution, which is conventional, so given sa atin yung A sub 1, yung A sub 1 is yung first term ng ating sequence. Binigay sa problem yung 4. Yung N is 30. So saan galing yung 30? Sabi sa problem kasi, find the 30th term. So, nagpo-focus ka ngayon doon sa pang 30 na term na unknown, no? So, therefore, yung n mo na gagamitin ay 30. So, yung d is the common difference. Balikan natin yung given. 4, 7, and 10. Ang common difference nila ay 3. Kasi pag pinag-minus mo yung 10 tsaka 7, 3 yan. Pag pinag-minus mo rin yung 7 and 4, 3 din yan. Okay? So, yung common sa kanila is yung 3. So, the required is a sub n or a sub 30. So for our solution, so a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So a sub n represents for a sub 30. So we just substitute the values given. So a sub 1 is 4 plus quantity 30 minus 1 multiplied by the common difference which is 3. So a sub 30 is equals to 4 plus 29 multiplied by 3. So a sub 30 is equals to 4 plus 87 and we get the final answer of 91. So ganun lang kabilis sa manual solution. Pag kabisado mo yung formula, walang kahirap-hirap, mabilis mo lang siya masosolve. Pero mas mabilis pa kapag alam mo yung Caltech. Gagamitan natin ang Canon F789SGA. So, nandito yung steps guys, no? Sabi diyan, gagamit daw tayo ng mode 3-2 or stat linear. Sabi, input the data to the table and then press CA. Then press apps, 8, regression, yung y hat which is nando sa 5, and then input natin yung 30 on the left side of y. So, dapat 30 y hat and then we press the equal button, makukuha natin yung 91. So, gawin natin sa cycle. So, reset muna natin yung ating calcu before doing any solving. So, mode 3-2, we press mode and then 3, stat, and then linear na nandun sa 2. So, input natin yung values. So, syempre, consider natin yung mga given, no? Sa column ng X, nandoon yung kung pang ilang pwesto siya. So, simulan natin syempre sa 1, no? And then, sa baba ng 1, yung 2. So, the second term. So, sa kabilang side, so, sa tapat ng 1, nandun sa second column natin, first row, second column. So, sa tapat ng 1, nandun yung 4. Kasi nga, yung first term natin ay 4. And then, the second term will be 7, which is given sa ating problem. So, after that, we input those values. So, we press CA as stated dyan sa ating steps. So, pinutin natin yung CA, wag yung delete. Okay? And then, we press apps. Andito siya sa baba ng shift. And then, we press 8 or REG regression. And then, y hat tayo. So, y hat, kasi nga, kailangan natin makuha yung value na nandoon sa column ng y. Okay? So, italagay natin yung 30 sa unahan ng y hat. Kasi nga, ang sabi sa problem, find the 30th term of the arithmetic sequence for 7 and so 30 y hat, equal button mo lang yan, lalabas yung 91. So, walang kahirap-hirap, basta alam mo yung Caltech, mabilis pa sa alas 4, tapos mo yung problem na yan. Okay? So, syempre dapat alam mo rin yung manual na solution. So, also, Caltech is the best way to check your answer kapag nag-manual ka ng solving. Okay? So, nawa nakatulong itong ating inaral sa mga oras na ito regarding arithmetic sequences and series sa algebra. So, again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless us all.